Good morning, you guys. So, today is the day that we're going to Alberta. We're going back. So, last 2022, niadto mi sa Alberta. It was springtime, I guess. We went to Lake Louise. Pero, it was still frozen. We're finally going back. So, right now, he's right there. Because we're gonna rent a car, right? We're renting a car. Pero karon, we're gonna be with friends. Last time, good kay it was just the two of us. So, I think we're going. He's ready. Okay, bye. So, before we go to Alberta, napa may appointment. So, while him driving, I'm gonna ask him the tips and tricks. Unsa may mga tips ba mag long driving, ana? Aside from having a very good engine sa car,
stay woke.
okay. Kaan sa tong kuan kani katong na ay kalimot ko nang you don't have to like kuan bitaw
Cruise control.
Cruise control period. So why is that so important?
It's less work. You just have to pay attention.
You just have to kuan tanaw-tanaw ra ka. What else?
Enjoy.
Wow. Very good advice. Of course, yeah. Kanang kuan ba mga technicalities?
Have good music, good mood. Don't be a crazy driver on the road.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, keep your distance, especially when you're behind big trucks.
If you're driving po, just wear comfortable clothes because it's a bit of a drive. Long drive dyan siya, so dapat komportable ka. Yeah, bring food. Magdaman may kuan cooler to put our food and drinks and stuff like that. So yes, I think that's everything. And yeah, number one, enjoy Jude. I-enjoy. Niabot na may appointment, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, I'm waiting for Peter. We're on our way to our friend's place. I'm driving the car now. Oh my goodness. Waiting for him.
Okay na natin.
Ikaw, mauban ka?
Oh yeah.
Okay guys, update. We already drove. Is this mine?
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, that's yours. And some fruits.
First stop.
First stop in Chilliwack. Wow. Cheers! Huy, lami ilang brown sugar sa Starbucks. You guys should try it.
Ani magtambay sa ilang. Safety.
We're in Merritt, guys. Huy, literal thing at 34 degrees. Grabe, init ta, uy. Init pa sa Pinas. Okay, switch drivers. My husband is beside me now.
Kasi ko ba ito na kailangan to?
Ha?
Unsa imong gikaon?
Pistachio with almonds.
Emote?
It's a peanut,
Did you come in
chocolate
now?
peanut butter.
Mine is
Caramel
coconut.
something.
Then I train guys. Naghuwat may mahurot mahuman charot. Kadong namin sa Golden BC. Fourth stop na ni na naatas ha?
Sikamus.
Kaya video.
Cleaning.
Pila kay bayad ani ma'am. Pinlo.
Matog sa mi guys. This is our fifth stop in Golden, British Columbia. We're checking in.
adobe, nga pizza. Oh, lalo pa rin.
Makatog na yun. Oh my God, finally.
Some butter. Oh, I got the wrong one.
So, igora nagnap. Charot. Atog bitam. Padong nagyud mi sa among destination. Murag asam adto. Checking out. Ay, video ni. Naunsa. Nawag namin sa among first destination, which is Emerald Lake. I'll show you. We're finally here in Alberta, guys! Okay, nice.
Okay, guys, we're coming down to the water. It's a lot. Nakuha na sa video.
Dari ko na ginaisalat.
Nag-atang, mas manang.
Wala daw mo na doon.
I believe this is Bow Lake.
Balik ka ta talaga to Pito Lake Port.
There's a little trail, you guys, before we get there. Yeah. Napaka-pretty. Naabot na jud mi sa among kaduhang hotel. We're staying here for 2 nights. Woohoo! Okay, we'll check in na. Checking in. Okay, open sesame. Drive. Smoke. Kaon na may guys, dinner. We're here guys, we're here. Eating at Ramen Arashi. This looks familiar. I think we ate here last time.
Ali, arashi ra. Ayun, black.
And hindi may nagkaon po last time. I remember. Oh, ato sila sa liquor store. Kami ato sa KFC. Kami mga girls. Char, kumaka mga, murag daghan ka adyo.
Aesthetic kayo ay.
Daghan more.
Village nga. Ako nga. O si building.
Wowers. Cooler. Love Barn.
Ani mo tako ganihan.
Okay, woke up early for the sunrise. Not really, kaya malakaw man ni, but na-adjourned. Ah! Sunrise. Serenity. So, this is where we are staying. Oh, Park, di ba? Love Barn. Yes! Okay, we gotta go to our next destination. Yes. To Marine Lake and Lake Louise. We're waiting. Pretty ba? We're on our way to Marine Lake na. Padung na ni sa Marine Lake, so backline na po dyan. Kumusta? Short na sa breath.
Ano ganito na stairs, ha? Come on.
Inuong ko laban.
Feel mo sila sa background.
Grabe.
Ano mo kas? Di na ta na Facebook sa mo wala tay what.
What na George? Char. Okay, naami sa bato. Naami sa Banff. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot. Ibang kapoy na. So, in the middle of summer, Ginoo ko, arang inita. Oh, lamig po nilang food, guys. It's not a Filipino restaurant, but it's more of like international saya. Oh, gadyo ko kasabot ng lubit daw. Apang. Yes, dinner. Picture lang yun. Nangaw nag-voice. Oh my God. Okay. Smile. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Okay, uy, may problema. Okay raman, may. Nangita ra jud may wildlife. Finally na kita ni may apa ka happy. Happy na ka?
Mga bata pa na.
Lagi.
Kanting.
So,
Friendly mili sila.
lagi back. Basi,
Meow.
There's so many.
Hoy! Ha?
Oh.
Putingog di sila?
Meow. Meow.
Gamo. Goodness, look at that.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh.
God.
Wala bang na sila kasal na. Su. Su. Su.
Nyaw.
Ate smile.
Oh my.
Dug na.
Napigam-biyok ka rin limbarok.
Dagan sila na. Sila na.
Oh, bele, kinaon.
Duha ta ito, Mr. San.
Okay, mag-break sa from driving. Naanami sa lookout. Ano sa nga lookout?
Something.
Something lookout, you guys. Sus, ka-pretty ba? Ginoo ko. Pak. Agay.
Naka-video na?
Video na. Nga na, ragon. Dito. Lapis ba na? Visit.
Padung na mi uli, guys. Sa Jasper may maagin. So, ni-stop sa may karon kay Mangihi. And, nagtanata na po sa view. Nami sa Icefield Parkway ni Agi. Para... Wala.
Next stop, they just burn. So, muna na guys. Muna na yung Columbia Icefield. Ito na yung Manta Hotel.
Apaka. Wala kayo nag-shoot ng movie, te.
Ethan! Bakit mo ko iniwan?
Oh my God.
Bakit ka na doon?
At least, ari naman. Hi, sabi hi.
Hey! Here's concerning.
Kuya, makapalit siya.
Sana natin ito kung ano pa small eh.
Oh, ato ta. Oh my God. Mao ba? Si Ate Fiona na lang. So, ano to siya, guys, kay... Tumaw kayo. Nandami sa Jasper. Si girl trying to find food.
Okay. Kuhan mo, gabayan.